What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Y'all, what's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. TNT day. Y'all probably like, man, Jay, another TNT day. How you gonna get better without TNT? You forever TNT, man. So look, today, Grandma Nana, and y'all see I got Dolo out. Grandma Nana and Dolo. Cause I'm gonna tell y'all something. Y'all know the other vlog I made, the fastest hit I ever made in Dolo on the 6th, sent that new tune. Today is amazing weather. It's breezy. 73 degrees, low humidity, hardly any humidity. I'm finna go up top. And I'm gonna turn the joker loose. Now, I ain't gonna turn Grandma Nana loose. But Dolo, we going up top, man. So we're gonna turn up, and we looking for a PB of what I beat the other day, but we're gonna catch it on the outside this time. So, there we got on the agenda. I'm finna go up top. I'm finna turn the Ricky Bobby, and then we're gonna get back and check back in, man, cause I hope it don't rain none of that, but we finna get to it, man. So I'm gonna tune in y'all on the GoPro. Checking in. Tell y'all, I'm feeling pretty good today, man. As long as I don't rush it, or I don't get a little too happy on the pedal, I think we're gonna be in the game. If not in the game, we're gonna get, I'm talking about damn close to it. I plan on putting one down, man. I hate I ain't catch it last time. I be wanting it for my documentation too, but I just do it so y'all can see it too. Oh yeah, here we go. Take a ride. Alright, here we go, y'all. Every time I do a PB, man, I can't catch the outside, man. It's still a good one, though. Don't get me wrong. It's still a good one, but we ain't get it, man. I'm finna turn around, though. We finna turn up. Y'all, I just got back from testing. I got Dolo covered up. Little wife, she's gonna take off on that nag. But I got back from testing Dolo, and I went ahead and gave y'all Grandma Nana, man. I just jumped straight in it. Both of them double went down through there. So look, she's gonna get her some little Check out. Check out. Like she's doing something. Look up. Like she's doing something. And the bus a block. That joke always talking, man. Alright, man. I'm gonna turn y'all on in a minute, man. Alright, we checking in, man. So we back. Got everything put back up. Grandma Nana put her up right there. Dolo. And I got the wheel off of Dolo right now, cause I'm finna weigh it, man. Might get a reel. We trying to shoot some reels and stuff today too. Y'all know wifey be doing these she be having these different things. She be wanting to try the ante last time, so she gonna try deadlifting these 26. I think it's gonna be too high. The bar gonna be too high, but I guess she wanna try it. We gonna see. So we finna weigh it, man. Let's weigh this 26, man. Let's see what it weigh. I'm gonna show you how it is, but boy, hey, the way Dolo came by that camera, and that crazy. It went in the fastest. That went in the fastest it went the other day, boy. The way that thing came by that camera, and y'all, I said, woo, that joker is going, boy. Brown coat, I mean not brown coat. Grandma Nana too. Grandma Nana riding. So look, I got the scale on. We're about to put this wheel on here. We're gonna see what this old 26 weigh. What y'all think this joker weigh? I weighed them before a long time ago on the regular scale, but I can't remember. Now the 24s on R&B was 86 pounds, I think. So we're gonna put that right there. See if I can get it to stay. Try and get this set up for wife before she come back. Let me see. She riding, Tina. Let's see, y'all. If I get it stay still. Alright, that's it. What y'all think this joker weigh, man? Now this one, I need to weigh the back one too, cause they different weights. Cause this one a little slimmer than the other one. Oh man. Look at this, man. There she come right there. Thing about 94 pounds, man. I said nothing but. Nah, they're heavy. They're heavy for real, man, to be a wheel. The back wheel heavier than. I mean, the back wheel might be pushing 100. Cause it's more material. The back wheel a 10 inch. This is 9. 9.5, my bad. This is 9.5, back wheel of 10. So it's more material. The back wheel probably 100 pounds. So I want to know too, so I know what Dolo weigh, so I can subtract. So 94. Well, you really can't count the difference. I have to weigh one of Dolo factory tire, man. So 94. She should be able to do that. She's strong enough to do that. So I don't know. That'll give y'all if y'all see the reel, man, that'll give y'all an estimate of how much she did look. Cause it's gonna do the two fronts. So 94. That's 188. 188 plus the bar, which is 45, which is 188, 45, 253, 233. I'm trying to do my math in my head. I had to do my 188, 45, yeah, 233. So that ain't, she can do that about 10 times. But it's a wild factor, man. But I think I'm gonna see. She just pulled up, so I'm gonna get the other one out for her, man. We're gonna get this in. But yeah, 94 pounds, man. 94 pounds. So the car carrying roughly about 400. It ain't 400 extra pound car. If you put on racing wheels, you have to add that weight, so it probably carrying an extra 300 pounds. You probably lose 100 pounds when you change the wheel. So yeah. But I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. We're gonna go ahead and get this done, so y'all stay tuned. Alright, we checking in, man. Y'all see we got the wheel back on. We done wrapped everything up. Good little work day. Good little productive day. We took Big Dolo down through there. We took Grandma Nana down through there. Man, I just been itching, man. I'm back in that TNT mode, man. I done seen, hey, every time I tease something new, boy, I be back in that mode. I had calmed down, cause it was dialed in. But let me bring y'all up. But now we done found some newfound power. So now I'm dialing in again. And that's the name of the game, man. It ain't gonna take that much to dial it in. Cause like I said, the car pretty much dialed in. But now we found some newfound power. So now we gotta manage it and stuff. Have to retune and stuff. So that's what we doing, man. We back in that TNT mode. So next time I take the cars out, probably gonna be next week. Because You gonna move that car? You gonna move that? Cause it raining all this week. That's why we out here getting it in, get some content on film, man, for all the pages and stuff. Cause it's gonna rain this week. And the exhaust. Okay, give y'all the update on me. Cause next week I might take Dolo out on the wheels again. Cause or either I'm gonna take meats on the radios. I'm gonna just go ahead and take it, man. Cause I'm itching so bad. But I hate to take it because my mind gonna be like, what the car gonna run with the exhaust on it. But we waiting on 2 90-degree bends, man. 3.5 inch 90-degree bends, man. That's all we're waiting on. It got everything held up. That's literally what we're waiting on. So I don't know if the exhaust gonna be done this week. It ain't looking good, basically, man. This exhaust, that's the thing. If anybody want to do aluminum exhaust, man, it's on here. You gotta be patient, cause getting that stuff sometimes it's a pain. Dolo exhaust was the same way. We're waiting a good little minute for certain bends and stuff, man. That's what took it so long, cause I think Dolo exhaust took like 2 months. It took 2 months for everything to really come in, man. Now with meat, I think we're going on a month and waiting on 2 bends, man, like crazy. So if it ain't looking like they're gonna come in this week, I probably gonna take meats. I might let Dolo chill, cause we ain't never sprayed meats, man. I'm itching. I just have to see what it do without the exhaust. I hate it won't be in 100% full trim and all of that, but that's what it is. So yeah, man. But that's what it is, man. Y'all got to see some shakedown with Dolo, man. You got to see 2 shakedowns today. Grandma Nana, man, she did pretty good. I should have waited, man, cause that done got even cooler. I should have waited, but I didn't know what we're gonna have going on, so I want to go ahead and get out of the way, man. Cause now they really run now. So cause it's super cool, man. Well, it ain't super cool, but it done cooled off. Them jokers are going through there now. And I gotta get R&B back, man, cause I've been wanting to take R&B to the track on the sled. So I'm gonna try to pick it up this week and get R&B back. That's the only thing missing out the fleet, man. So I've been wanting to take it to the track. I've been wanting to take brown coat to the track, but I'm waiting because I want to get everything done to brown coat, which I got to get nitrous and get the 6014 box put on there, get the new ignition system. So I want to do that. That's the only reason I ain't took that truck back to the track. Cause when I take it, I'm gonna start taking it. So yeah, that's the plan, man. I want to get R&B back, take it to the track. We'll probably hit Silver Dollar, and play around with it. Then on the slicks, especially with the new exhaust, and we know it's making more power too. It's breathing better, it's faster. So I want to take it, and I want to take Dolo back on the gas, on the 6s. And it's time for me to change the plug, man. I heard it when I turned it up. I heard it, man. I said it's time for the plug. They done file out. They cold, man. So when you spray them, and when you spray on the plug, man, it kills the lifespan up. Now when I'm driving around on the cold plug, I can ride a little bit, but once I hit them with that gas and then combine driving too, a lot of driving idle time, it kill them. It kill them pretty fast. So that's what it is, man. That's what it is. We'll have some more action coming, man. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later, BCG. We out.